Did you know that in Okinawa, Japan, people over 80 years old have 65% fewer falls than anywhere else in the world? The secret? A movement so simple that Japanese people do it naturally every day since childhood, but that most Westerners stop doing around age 30. Today, I'm going to reveal this Okinawa secret that keeps legs strong and prevents falls even after 70, 80, or 90 years old. It's just 2 minutes a day, and you can start at the most basic level, even if you haven't squatted in decades. Write your name and where you're watching from in the comments. And subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next Japanese longevity secrets. The movement is called shagamu, squat. In Japanese culture, sitting in a squat is as natural as sitting in a chair. They do this to rest, talk, and work in the garden. And by doing this movement regularly, they maintain 3 essential things: thigh strength, ankle flexibility, and dynamic balance. The good news? You don't need to squat for hours. With just 2 minutes a day, you can regain this strength and stability. I'll show you 3 progression levels, from easiest to most advanced. Start where you can and progress at your own pace. Level 1. Chair-supported squat. If you haven't squatted in years, or you're afraid of losing your balance, start here. How to do it. Stand facing a sturdy chair, feet shoulder-width apart. Hold the backrest with both hands. Slowly bend your knees as if you were going to sit down, lowering only as far as feels comfortable. It may be just a few centimeters at first. Keep your back straight and gently push your knees outward, aligned with your toes. Hold for 3 seconds, then push through your heels and return to standing. Repeat 8 times. Why it works? It strengthens the quadriceps, essential for preventing falls. A study in Okinawa showed that seniors who practice this squat 3 times a week reduce their risk of falls by 47% in 8 weeks. Try to rely less on your hands each day. Do this for 2 weeks. When you can do 8 repetitions easily, move on to level 2. Extra gentle version if level 1 feels difficult. Stand with your back against a wall, feet about 30 centimeters away from the wall. Slide your back down the wall, bending your knees slightly. Lower just a few centimeters. Hold for 3 seconds. Slide back up. Repeat 5 times. The wall removes the fear of falling, allowing you to focus on strengthening your legs. Level 2. Free squat when you can already do level 1 easily. It's time to move forward. How to do it? Stand with the chair at your side. Just lightly touch the back of the chair with your fingertips, without gripping. Feet shoulder-width apart. Bend your knees and lower into a squat, keeping your back straight and your chest lifted. Try to lower until your knees form a 90-degree angle, as if you were sitting in an invisible chair. Push through your heels and return to standing. Repeat 10 times. Why it works? You're building functional strength, the same as Okinawans. People who can squat to 90 degrees have a 60% lower chance of needing help with daily tasks. Practice for 3 to 4 weeks. When you can do 10 repetitions without touching the chair, move on to level 3. Level 3. Deep Japanese style squat. This is the movement you see elderly Japanese people doing naturally in markets, gardens, and temples. How to do it? Stand with feet slightly apart, toes pointing slightly outward. Without support, bend your knees and slowly lower into a deep squat, glutes close to the heels. Keep your back straight, heels on the floor or as close as possible, and arms forward or resting on your knees for balance. Stay here for 5 to 10 seconds. To stand up, push strongly through your heels. If needed, rest your hands on your knees at first. Start with 5 repetitions, increasing to 10 over time. Why it works? The most complete movement for leg strength. It works quadriceps, glutes, calves, and develops total balance. A study in Okinawa with 500 people over 70 showed Those who did deep squats had zero hip fractures over 5 years. Note, if your heels don't touch the floor, keep practicing. Your ankles will gain flexibility. 2-minute protocol, level 1. Beginner. 2 sets of 8 repetitions with chair. 30-second rest between sets. Do every day for 2 weeks. Level 2. Intermediate. 2 sets of 10 repetitions. Light chair touch. 30-second rest. Do 5 times per week for 1 month. Level 3. Advanced. 2 sets of 5 to 8 deep squats. 45-second rest. Do 4 to 5 times per week for maintenance. Best time: in the morning after waking up or in the afternoon before dinner. Signs of progress: after 1 week, less difficulty getting up from chairs, more stability going upstairs. After 1 month, climbing stairs without holding the handrail, getting up from the floor more easily, noticeably better balance. After 3 months, leg strength equivalent to someone 10 years younger, full confidence while walking, drastically reduced risk of falls. Safety tips: always warm up, 10 ankle rotations and 10 marches in place. If you feel sharp pain, stop, don't skip levels. Progression exists to build strength safely. Wear flat-soled shoes or practice barefoot. Have support nearby, especially at the beginning. Consult your doctor if you have serious knee or hip problems. The philosophy of Okinawa: in Okinawa they say, Ashi wa dainai no shinzo. The legs are the second heart. Why? Because when you move your legs, you're pumping blood back to the heart, maintaining healthy circulation. Strong legs equals healthy heart equals long life. In Okinawa, people in their 80s and 90s continue working in gardens, walking, squatting to plant and harvest. They don't exercise, they live actively. And the foundation of everything? Strong legs? You don't need to change culture. You just need to dedicate 2 minutes a day to this simple and powerful movement. Falls are not inevitable. In Okinawa, people in their 80s and 90s walk with confidence and live independently because they built and maintained leg strength. You can do the same. No matter your age or how long you stopped moving, your legs have an incredible ability to regain strength. Start tomorrow. Choose your level. Practice 2 minutes a day. And in 3 months, you'll be surprised at how much stronger and more reliable your legs are. Remember, the legs are the second heart. Take care of them, and they will take care of you. Which level will you start with? Write it here in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to watch this one where I show the complete 3-minute morning routine that keeps 92-year-old Japanese people walking strong. Subscribe to the channel. Every Tuesday and Friday, there's a new Japanese longevity secret. See you in the next video.